What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to make a beef curry. Today's beef curry is not the ordinary Indian curry or Thai curry, and I'm going to make a Chinese style beef curry. You know, Chinese, especially Cantonese like me, that is from the southern part of China and Hong Kong, usually we do not take very spicy food. So this is a version of curry that is made with less chili, definitely. Although it's less hot, it is still full of spices and herbs, and also incorporates some of the Chinese cooking techniques and ingredients. So without further ado, let's take a look how to prepare this Chinese style beef curry. Now cut the beef into small chunks, usually opting for less expensive meat. For example, I'm using rump, and because it will become tender anyway after slow cooking. Next, peel the potatoes and cut them into small pieces about the size of the beef, and then I soak it in water to prevent it from changing color, since I'm not using them immediately. I also chop some onion into small chunks to be blended into paste, some chopped garlic, and some spices. That's cinnamon bark, star anise, and some cloves. These three spices are very commonly used in Chinese cooking, and that's what I'm going to use it for the beef curry today. Next, sear the beef with some oil over medium heat until both sides are slightly brown, and that helps to bring out the flavor. Okay, since my wok is small, I have to do it by batches. So now it's nicely brown. Let's remove it. As for the onion and the garlic, I'm going to use the blender to make a onion garlic paste. The blended onions and garlic will disintegrate very fast and will form the body of the curry. Saute the garlic and the onion with a bit of oil until it turns fragrant. Next, add the curry powder, the turmeric powder, and a little bit of water. The spices, cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. More water because it's just not enough. Then return the beef to the curry paste. Some light soy sauce, salt to season, now add enough water to cover the beef. And bring it to a boil. When the beef starts to become tender, add the potatoes. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer slowly until the beef becomes tender. Let it return to a boil again, and the potatoes will help to thicken the curry. Now the beef is already tender. The potatoes is already tender. Now it's time to add the coconut cream. At this stage, you may want to add some water to adjust the consistency. For me, I would like to have thick curry, so I'll just to leave it that way. I also like to do a taste test to check if I need to add more curry powder, more salt, and any other spices that I need. Yeah, it just tastes great, so I'll just leave it as it is. Okay. That's how to make Chinese beef curry. It is not fiercely hot, but it still has all the flavor of the spices. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included the recipe in the description below the video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.